Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by assessing the rust. Surface rust cleans quickly, pitting needs more work. Put on gloves and set the pan on towels over a sink. Pour enough white vinegar to cover heavily rusted areas or make a 1:1 vinegar water soak for milder spots. Let it sit for 30 minutes to 6 hours depending on severity. Watch it, because oversoaking can harm the cast iron. Once done, scrub immediately to lift loosened rust. Now you attack the loosened rust. Scrub with steel wool or a 0000 stainless pad using firm pressure so you remove the oxidized layer but don't gouge the metal. Rinse frequently to see progress, then apply a baking soda paste to neutralize residual acidity from the vinegar. This stops continued corrosion. Rinse again, dry with a towel, and place the pan on low heat for several minutes to evaporate hidden moisture. You finish by restoring protection. While the pan is warm, apply a thin coat of high smoke point oil and wipe off all excess until the surface looks barely oiled. Then place the pan upside down in a 450 degrees F oven for 1 hour. This polymerizes the oil into a durable seasoning layer. Once cooled, inspect the surface. If you see sticky spots or uneven coverage, reheat briefly and wipe with clean oil. If rust returns, repeat the targeted vinegar soak and scrub before
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.